Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a Brontosaurus dinosaur who's eating leaves from a palm tree. So first we'll start out with the palm tree so that way we can get the height of the dinosaur correct. So we'll go ahead and just do our palm tree over on this side. So we're just going to come down, just draw the trunk of the tree, and then we're just going to make like a squiggly on the bottom. It's kind of like where the tree goes into the ground, like the roots, going down into the ground. We're gonna go ahead and add some coconuts to our tree. So I'm just gonna draw 3 coconuts on our tree. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some leaves. And then we'll add one on the top. A little bit shorter one. And then we'll go ahead and add one more. Kind of a little bit bigger one on the side here. All right, and then we'll go ahead and add our Brontosaurus. So we're gonna kind of have him, like, we'll probably have his head up here, and then I just have his body come down. His tail might be going off of the page because he's going to be so big. So we'll start with his head up here. So he's kind of like, going to nibble the leaves off the tree. I'm just going to have his neck come down like this, like that, and then we're going to have his body come out like this, and then we're going to give him some legs. Like that, and then we'll go ahead and add another leg coming back from the back side, and then we'll just have his body come out around like this, and then it's gonna go off the page because he's big. So we'll have his body like that. I think I'm gonna make this leg right here, this is a little bit too big. I think we're gonna make it a little bit smaller, so kind of like this, a little bit skinnier, like that. And then of course we'll add his legs in the back. So like that. And then the one in the back also, like that. And then just have it come up like this, and then the rest of his body and his tail are just going to be going off the page because he's huge. So we'll go ahead and draw our Brontosaurus an eye. We're going to do the little cute eye with the little white spots. So like that. And then we'll go ahead and give our guy some teeth also, because he needs a way to eat those leaves. So, all right, so next we're going to go ahead and outline our drawing with our black marker. So we'll just go and start on his back right here. And our tiny itty bitty teeth. And then of course our eye, we want to go ahead and outline that. And add those little white spots because it makes them look extra cute. And that giant eye. And then we'll go ahead and finish our body. His belly, and then his back feet and legs. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do our tree. Last leaf on our tree. And then of course the trunk of our tree. All right, there we go. And then we'll go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines and get all those cleaned up before we go ahead and color. It's kind of like a cute dinosaur, not a mean dinosaur. He's got that cute eye. So this one's a friendly one. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and color our drawing. So I'm just gonna use this brown for a trunk. Outline everything first before we color. That way it prevents getting any color outside of your black lines. You can just go in and scribble everywhere. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do our coconuts. I got a little bit lighter brown for the coconuts. All right, and then green for the leaves. Go and color that little area in the middle there green also. And then all the rest of them are going to be the same color. Oops. It's okay if you go out of the lines, like I just did. And our last one. All right, and then lastly, we're going to go ahead and color our dinosaur. So I'm going to use this blue color for, it's kind of like a bluish turquoise color for a dinosaur. You can use any color really. Again, I don't think dinosaurs were blue. I think the Brontosaurus is more like a gray color. But, you know, you can use any color that you want really. I kind of like this color. So nice turquoisey color. And just color his entire body that color. The entire area. Okay, and so that's how you draw a Brontosaurus who's eating leaves off of a tree, off a palm tree. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have several other videos on my page with many more to come. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.